some of that money.
Who wants a Christmas present? Come on! Who wants a fucking Christmas present? Oh, show.
Yeah, I need to. Well, it was there on the stage, so I was like, oh, I love that.
Rat eyes.
Dude, I'm not.
Like a bouncy bonus, you'll be coming from your head.
Is it a few?
Tell a story, Meth.
You're like blue.
Get.
Meth, tell a story. Look into the camera and tell me you're going to tell a story.
Hey, here's a story. Why don't you get fucked, you fuck? You fat. Flaps. It was on the day of the birthday of my great auntie Steve when he got his bacon flaps out and rubbed them a bit on my head. So I vanished to the pit of
Fuck where my hand is,
Oh,
Leek, try not to, please. We're all over the fucking shop in here. Fucking hell.
Sally's fucking pissed, yeah.
Oh, it's all post now. That's just spoiled the day.
Oh, Kelly Brooks
That's
gone
spoiled the day
down.
for us now.
Oh,
Get Nell up now.
fuck Nell.